We at Mama Cells believe that we're about to enter a whole new world. A world with clean air, blue skies, and beautiful oceans. But it's all up to us to ensure that it stays that way. So what changes are you going to make to ensure that your children and their children have a prosperous future on our beautiful planet?
So, all of us are very proud parents. We all love our children, and it's very integral that we give them all the love, the attention, and the care. We also really make their home feel beautiful. We make them love their home. We make them feel like home is where the heart is. But we sometimes miss the point. We sometimes pretend that their home is just their residence. But that's not true. Our planet is also our home.
Apart from all the other conscious work that we're doing, I also pledge that we continue buying wooden toys for our daughter Meher, try and keep her away from plastic toys as much as we can, and more importantly, we're totally open to hand-me-downs. Meher's got lots of friends who are 6 months or a year older, and we believe in hand-me-down toys, books, clothes, all of it. It's great on the pocket, and more importantly, it's very good for the environment. So yeah, we're doing our little bit. I think you guys should do yours too, just so that our planet can accommodate our beautiful children in the future.
I pledge to carry a reusable water bottle with me every time I step out of the house, instead of buying plastic bottles, because I care about the future of our children and our grandchildren on our planet.
I pledge to grow more plants and herbs in our house because I want our children to develop a strong bond with nature and learn to nurture our planet.
I pledge to never use animal products in clothing and accessories as far as my knowledge permits me to, in order to save our biodiversity and to reduce cruelty of animals for the sake of our planet.
And we must make our kids realize that our planet is our most important home. And we have to make a few changes for them to realize that they must protect their large home, which is their planet Earth. Now, there are a few things that I've done with my kids at a very young age. Apart from the emotional, encouragement that one has to always give them about making sure that they don't fall into stereotypes. The other thing that I do is I tell them about plastic, single-use plastic, and about how that it's important not to consume single-use plastic. That because you know that it's a big deterrent to our planet and we must be very careful. So say no to plastic is the one thing that I have been actually inculcating within their sensibility.
I pledge to go paperless at my workspace and use digital communication only. I do this because I know it's the need of the hour and I want my children to grow up in a world filled with trees and fresh air.
And I pledge to turn off the tap every time I'm in the shower and not using it, and every time that I brush my teeth, because I care about our planet and a better future for our children and grandchildren.
My pledge is to make the carbon footprint lesser. That means by taking my car out fewer times for simple runs like to the grocery store or to the gym. What do you pledge?
The other thing that I do is make them protect and save water. Make them feel like water is truly something that they need to save, that it is a humongous resource to save our planet and we must always save it. So not to keep the tap flowing, not to unnecessarily kind of use it. Even during Holi, we made sure it was a dry Holi. So these are some of the changes that we try and inculcate in our day-to-day life, make them realize the importance of climate change and protection of our wonderful planet Earth.
And I pledge never to use single-use plastics in my home ever again. For example, I'm going to stop buying mineral water, which comes in those tiny plastic bottles which you use and you just chuck, and it's absolutely pointless and useless. Also, I'm going to stop using those milk pouches that come every morning, which the milkman delivers, because you might as well just get it in a glass bottle. Also, I'm going to teach my daughter to do the same thing. We can make these small changes to help our environment. It's just a few changes, but it can go a long way for the betterment of our future and our little ones.
I pledge
To enter
This new world.
with mindfulness,
with compassion.
With wisdom.
And a whole lot of love.
We have pledged.
This is my pledge and I wish you lots of love.
They've pledged. Have you?